Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I know you guys will be looking out for my video this few days. Sorry, I've been so busy. I haven't got time to shoot another video. I've been catching up with family, and my sister-in-law be keeping me busy, and the kids and all that. So today, be surprised what we have here. Today we're going to be making a birthday cake for my niece, and my sister-in-law wants to show me how the German people make what do you call it, a birthday cake for kids, and it's not too sweet, birthday cake, if you like. So we're gonna dig in and see what we're gonna be using today. And say hi, Ella.
Hello.
Today we're all in our pajamas and we're not gonna be showing our face, sorry. So it's late here in Germany, but the kids are all in bed and we're having a peace and quiet baking tonight. And my sister-in-law is gonna introduce us to what we've got here, and I'll be translating. So she's my guest in this channel today, so she's gonna be the one doing everything. So I'll be talking along and putting us through in English in what she's doing. Okay, right here in the display we've got things we're gonna be needing for the baking tonight. Ella, if you want to tell us what we've got here so I can tell the guys in English. Right, go on and you say it, then I'll translate it.
Okay. Wir brauchen 10 Eier.
That is the eggs.
Zucker.
Then you have the sugar.
Wasser.
We'll have the water.
Mehl.
We'll have the all-purpose flour.
Backpulver.
What's that? Okay, baking powder. That's baking powder. They have theirs in sachet. That's like 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon thereabout in a sachet. Okay.
Zitrone.
And we'll have the lemon.
And Öl for the backform.
Yeah, that's the spray we're gonna be using to glaze the baking tray.
That's all.
And that's all. And this here is the whisk we're gonna be using to do the batter and all that. So we're gonna measure out what we're gonna be using today. The eggs. So Ella, what are you doing?
Das Eigelb trennen und nur das Gelbe hier in den Topf machen.
Okay, she says she's gonna be extracting the egg white from the yolk. So she'll be separating the egg whites and putting the egg yolk separately. Okay. So she's gonna do that too. We're using, how many eggs are we using today?
10.
Okay, we're using
a lot of kids.
Okay, so we're using 10 eggs because she's taking the cake to school tomorrow morning. So this is a surprise for her. She's gonna be screaming in the morning. And guys, if you're actually watching for the first time, well, hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up and like this video, and also share it with your friends and family. Okay, and if you're a subscriber, well, thank you guys. You guys rock. I can see we're actually growing, and but we're still very far to get there. Okay, but I think we'll get there somehow. So come on guys, keep up the good job and keep sharing this video to friends and family so we can hit that our target of 1,000 viewers. Okay, please share and subscribe. Okay, so she's still now separating the yolks, the egg yolks and the egg whites in different bowls, if you notice. Okay, that's the egg yolk in the other bowl, and this is the egg whites in this other bowl. Okay, so and then she's gonna do that. She finished separating the eggs, the egg yolks in another bowl, and then this is the yolk there, and this is the egg white. Okay, so now she's gonna be taking, how many spoons of sugar do you need?
15.
Oh, 15? Yeah. Is it for the kids? Because they like a sweet tooth, right? Okay, she's putting 15 tablespoons of sugar because the cake is going to the school and all the kids like sweet stuff. So she's gonna put 15. You can put less if you want. It's optional, okay? So today she's gonna be putting 15 because the cake will be going to the school, okay? So that's 15 tablespoons of sugar. Zucker, we call it
Zucker
in Germany. So right now we're going to be taking it to the whisk and then get cooking. So I'll take it to the whisking the batter, the sugar and the egg white. So you're going to whisk it till it's fluffy, right, Ella?
Yeah, almost.
Okay, yeah. The egg yolk and sugar. If you notice, it's going fluffy now and more yellowy.
You don't see the sugar.
Yeah, you whisk it till the sugar is dissolved, right? So what do you call whisking in German?
Huh?
What you're doing now, what do you call that in German?
Rühren.
Rühren.
Rühren, yeah.
Well, we're Germany like that good, okay guys, so is this the consistency you want?
Now we make meal and other.
Okay, so she said now she's going to be adding the flour, all-purpose flour. She's going to be adding that in the whisked egg yolk and sugar. So how many spoons are you adding, Ella?
10. Only 10 from this one.
Okay, 10 spoons of sugar. So 10 eggs, 10 tablespoons of flour, and 15 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so now she's gonna be adding how many teaspoons? 10 tablespoons of water. Okay,
You can take oil or water.
you can use either vegetable oil or olive oil or water, but she's using water today. Okay. How about butter? You can use butter, margarine, or
No.
no margarine, just oil,
Oil,
and water. Okay.
I don't forget.
Okay. Okay, so there the 10 spoons of 10 tablespoons of water in it. Now she's gonna be
This one?
putting 2 sachets of that baking powder, which is about, I think it's a teaspoon each. So it's 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay. So if you can get this type of sachet of baking powder, you can get 2 sachets of that. Okay. So in goes the 2 sachets of baking powder. Well, in England we have it in cups, so use your measurement spoon to measure it out.
Make it.
Okay. So 1 tablespoon of powder. So now we're gonna flour. Be careful so it doesn't flake up. Before you whisk, you just give it a good stir to stir it in. You see what she's doing? Once you stirred it in, then you can turn on the machine then. Okay. So she's whisking it. Don't panic if you start flying up, but just try and give it a good mix before you're on the machine so it don't mix. So it's getting more fluffy, Ella.
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. So what about if you don't have this electric whisk? You can use the manual whisk as well. Yeah. So if you don't have the electric one, don't worry. You can use our normal whisk.
It's easier to make the machine.
Yeah, but the machine makes it more easier. But that one you have to beat it for long, okay? So give it a good whisk. So you whisk it till everything is blended, or whisking it for how many minutes? As long as it takes till it's smooth, right? Okay. So that's it done now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's finished with the flour, egg, and sugar, okay? And the baking powder, don't forget that. So, what we're doing now, Ellen?
We make the other one, the rest for the egg.
Okay, we're gonna be doing some stuff with the egg white as well. So this one we're gonna be setting aside for the moment. We've washed the what's that called? The whisk. Make sure you wash it out. You wash out the egg yolk out of it. Okay, she's washed it clean, and then that's just the egg white now. She's gonna start whisking it. What are you doing now?
Ja, jetzt machen wir den Eischnee.
Okay, she's gonna be
Und
whisking
zwar,
it.
wir rühren das so lange, bis weißer, fester Schnee da ist.
Okay.
Damit der Schnee noch fester wird, machen wir ein bisschen Zitrone rein.
Okay, she's gonna be adding lime in it.
A
Just
bisschen.
a little.
Damit der Eischnee fester wird.
Okay, so you just squeeze as much as you can in, and then you start whisking it till it goes fluffy.
Ja.
Okay. Then just whisking the egg white and a little bit of half of that lime. Notice it's going forward. Notice now it's getting thicker. The idea is to make it so when you turn the plate over, it becomes very hot. like you're making a meringue in English, okay? So starting now. So now she's achieved the consistency she wants. So if you notice now it's kind of strong.
Yeah.
So if you turn it over, it won't fall off, right? Yay! See? So that's the egg white done. So now what you're gonna be doing, you know?
Und jetzt vermischen wir den Teig mit
Okay.
dem Eiweiß.
So she's gonna be combining the two together now. Egg yolk and sugar. Yeah. And she's gonna be combining it with the egg white that we just whisked now. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Make a little bit first.
Okay, take a bit by bit. So you don't throw it in at once. You just put little by little and blend it in. Okay. Put a bit more. Make sure you blend it in properly all around, so you don't have to throw it in at once.
Not fast.
Okay. Just
not make fast.
Okay.
Not too fast.
Right. So you keep working it and working it until you finish the process. Okay. She's finished blending it, and the reason why she did it this way is to make that you know, when you finish baking the cake, it will be kind of fluffy and soft inside, not hard rock like if you mix them all together. Like the usual cake, I know some people mix it all together, right, Ella? So you're doing this to get it to be nice and fluffy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the last bit now she just added. So what's going to be the next step now?
Next step, we make the foam.
Okay.
The foam, right?
Right, so we're going to be glazing our tray with that spray.
Yeah.
What kind of oil is this? Is it just like a normal?
It's normal spray.
Normal spray for baking.
Normalerweise du kannst auch normal Öl machen,
yeah,
oder Butter.
Okay. So if you don't have this oil, you can actually use butter.
Or paper.
Or the baking paper, yeah. Okay.
And that is easier to shake it first.
You have to shake it properly.
Erst schütteln.
Yeah. Then you spray.
Very easy.
So you glaze in the pan so that the cake don't stick on it. Yeah. So it can fall out easily. So how long are we putting this in the oven for?
I think 20 minutes.
So, and the oven have been on for like 20 minutes now. Yeah. So what part did you put it? On the high? Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you the oven. This oven have been, we left it on throughout this process, so the oven will be quite hot. It's on the 180 mark, electric, okay? So if you're using a gas, you can make it to 200. Okay, so now she's gonna throw it in the tray. So you see how fluffy it is.
You hear that?
Yeah. Can you hear it bubbling? Maybe it's the lime that's making it bubble, right? So. So you just spread it around and make sure you get all the edges to get that nice square shape. No, it's rectangular shape. Okay, you can actually use a round oven tray if that's what you have. You make it any shape of your choice. But today we're making it bigger because my niece have got a lot of friends in school, so this is gonna be a big surprise when she wakes up this morning. Yeah. So there you go. You just spread it around and then we stick it in the oven for how long, Ella?
20 minutes, 25 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, are we going to increase the heat or we're leaving it at 180? Is the heat going to be increased, or we're leaving it on 180?
No, 180.
So it's going to be on 180 for 25 minutes. You just keep checking it until it turns brown. Okay, so you make sure you know, spread it round so it goes round, right round the oven tray. And hey guys, if you just started watching, have you subscribed? Go on and hit that subscribe button, okay? Subscribe and share this video to your friends and family, and then let's take it to 1,000 subscribers. Come on guys, let's make it happen. Okay, now we're gonna be putting it in the oven, already heated oven. This oven has been heating for like 20 to 30 minutes or so. So after the cake is ready, we're gonna be using icing sugar and designing it with chocolate. What we're using, chocolates, right?
Yeah.
To design it, but you can use fruits. Sometimes you can. The last one we had, she used what they call it, a strawberry and peach to decorate the cake. Well, we'll come back to that anyway. So we're gonna be waiting for 20 minutes for the cake to bake, and I'll take you to the next step. Okay, to see how biscuit is doing. Is that what it's called, Ella? Biscuit cake. Yeah, biscuit cake. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it smells beautiful, but it's not quite done. If you notice, you see how it's risen. So I'm just gonna give it more time to cook. Okay, so I'll wait for it to get golden brown before we get to the next step. Okay, have you subscribed? If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, guys. Okay, hit and share with your family and friends. And yeah, we'll wait for the cake to cook. It's been like 6-7 minutes now, so we have a check and see if the cake is done now. Oh voila, it's nice and brown now. Ella, is it ready now to come out?
Yeah, it's it.
Okay, so we're just gonna take out the cake. Oh, we're gonna take it out now. Okay, we're gonna take it out and start garnishing it. Oh, garnishing it tonight, or we're gonna put the ice and sugar on it today?
Oh,
Oh,
it's cold.
okay. We're just gonna bring it out now and let it cool further. Okay, if you notice, it's just falling down. So we're just gonna bring it out and let it cool properly before we put the ice. Now the cake is a bit cold. Yeah, because we have to stick in the fridge to get it to cool down fast. Okay. So it's cool now, and she's gonna be mixing the ice and sugar for the dressing. So what we're doing now, look.
Ja, wir machen jetzt eine Puderzucker Zitronencreme
Okay.
Auf den Kuchen auf und dann dekorieren wir den mit Schokolade.
Okay. She says she's gonna mix the ice and sugar with lemon,
Yeah.
and then after that, the half of the lemon she's gonna use it to mix the ice and sugar, and spread it on the cake, and then she'll use the M&M. That's the chocolate bits, the M&M, to garnish the cake. Okay, so if you notice now, she's poured in like roughly how many grams is that ice and sugar? 250 grams. Yeah. 250. Let's have a closer look. It's 250 grams ice and sugar. Okay?
When you want, you can make it a powder.
Yeah, you can spread it as dust, or you can just do it the way she's doing it. And you can even
skip kids like this one.
Yeah.
And make the cream opposite chocolate.
So kids love M&M. M&M, as everybody know. M&M is that chocolate kind of. Let me show you how it's like. It's the chocolate tablets. No. So she's gonna be mixing the icing sugar now with lime and spreading it on the biscuit. She's just taking out the seed of the lemon, sorry. And then she's gonna whisk it. So remember, she used part of that lemon earlier, so she's now gonna use the other half. And then, so you're trying to get like paste kind of, or watery. Is it pasty or watery you're trying to get, Bella? Syrupy.
Zero.
Okay.
Yeah. Not so much for this one. It's not hard.
Okay, so she's trying to make it like syrupy kind of consistency. So she's gonna whisk it until she blends it together with that lemon she just squeezed in. Okay, so you keep dropping in lemon until you get the watery consistency. Some of the ice and sugar. She's just mixed with ice and sugar and lime. You see the consistency. Okay, so it's kind of running. So she's just gonna spread it all over. Like when you're buttering your bread. That's what she's gonna do. She's gonna rub it on like that. Normally you're supposed to use a pipe to do that, but like, only kids with the body. So you're gonna do it like that all through, right? You're gonna do that all over the cake, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can make chocolate. You can make this one different. You can make it up to
Coat it.
Yeah.
So either you put it dusty or you put chocolate dust on it, or you do it like this, whichever way you prefer. Okay. So yeah, we'll come back when she's done. Then we'll carry on the next process. Okay. She's just gonna be doing that. Make sure she spread it all over the cake. Now she's gonna spray it with M&M chocolate. So this is like beautiful cake. And that icing sugar with the lemon in it, it tastes like it's gonna be sweet and tingling, citrusy kind of taste. But it actually tastes beautiful. So you're not gonna write her name with that chocolate stuff right now. Hey Allah, you're not gonna write her name on it. You're just gonna be trying it all over.
The topping. The topping for this cake today.
For the cake today. Yeah. So there you have it. And this is biscuit German cake, right?
Yeah.
So guys,
kindergarten.
for my niece's birthday tomorrow. Well, so she's gonna spread it all around the cake, and then voila, and there you have it. And this is the wonderful cake for my niece tomorrow. She'll be like buzzing and screaming off her head and be happy to go to school tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy my cooking with my sister-in-law today. And then I'll see you on my next video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then yeah, look out for my next video. Okay, see you guys and have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Say goodbye, Allah.
Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.
Bye.